Hello everyone, welcome to the episode of CAP Explained, and in this express video I will show you how you can clone a repository from Git, which is super simple. And to do that, let's go to our repository, click on code, select HTTPS and just copy to the URL to our clipboard. And you can use my repository for this tutorial. Of course, you can copy it because it's public. So just go to this link. I will give it to you in the description. And on the Get Started page, just select Clone from Git. Don't worry if you closed the Get Started page, just go on Help and Get Started. It will reopen the page. Then just click Clone from Git, paste the URL, and it asks us to open the folder if you would like that. Sure. And you can see all the folders and files have been copied. So you can start developing here. If you change your mind, if you'd like to go to a different project, you can go to, I believe, File, Close Folder. Then it will go back one step. You don't have the folder open here. And if you go to the terminal, Ctrl-Shift-C you can use also. Go to CD projects, and in this ls to show all the files and folders. If you do that, we can see that there's our project Bookstore CAP tutorial. We can open the folder with here also, but just to showcase you rm rf b and tab to autofill, I will remove the folder. And I want to show you that you can clone also by doing git clone and pasting the URL, pressing enter. It has cloned the whole folder. As you can see, a path has been created, and I even can click on that to open this folder. Yeah, just like that, very simple. Stay tuned for the next videos. They are coming soon.